Hello and welcome to another video. How to install DroidCam OBS plugin for OBS Studio on Linux. This is a repeat video. Now first, make sure you have OBS Studio installed. Then open your browser and search for DroidCam OBS plugin. Pick the one by Dev47 apps. Now scroll to the bottom and select Linux. Then select option 3 manual install. Now there are many releases of this plugin, but we download based on the FFmpeg version installed on your system. To check the FFmpeg version, just type FFmpeg space hyphen space version and press enter on your terminal. Now based on that, click download and download the right zip file based on the version of FFmpeg. Now extract the zip file and go to the folder. You can read the readme.txt file for more instructions. Then open your terminal and let's install the plugin. Just right click in this folder and open the terminal and then type bash space install.sh and press enter. That should install the plugin, or just copy the DroidCam OBS folder and go to home directory. Make sure to show hidden files, then go to .config/OBS Studio/plugins and then paste the folder here. Part 2, on your Android device, go to Play Store and install the DroidCam OBS app. Then go to phone settings and under development mode, make sure to enable USB debugging. Now open OBS Studio on your PC and connect your Android device to the PC. Then open the DroidCam OBS app on your Android device. Then we need to go to add DroidCam OBS. It will ask for allow USB debugging on the phone. Make sure to allow. On the PC, make sure to refresh list. Give it a little bit of time. Then under this option you will see there is Wi-Fi and then there is USB. Select the USB and activate. So I'm changing to the back camera. So I'll press OK and then you can position this one wherever you want on the screen. Thank you guys for watching.